Back in the day, before credit cards, before bank apps, before that one raccoon got into crypto, creatures had to trade actual stuff. You got carrots, I got shiny rocks, let's swap. But what if I don't want your shiny rock? What if I want dried fish? Now we gotta go find a third animal who wants your rock but has fish, and suddenly grocery shopping turns into a scavenger hunt. The problem with trading things. Beavers used to trade sticks for berries, but what if the berry guy didn't need sticks? What then? You carry sticks around like a chump hoping someone's into carpentry. This was the big problem. Barter systems only work when everyone wants what the other guy's got. Super inefficient, also soggy sticks. The birth of money. So the animals got smart. They created something that everyone agreed had value. Enter acorn coins. Rare, shiny, small enough to fit in a raccoon's pocket. Now beavers could buy berries, berries could buy fish, and nobody had to carry 18 sticks around anymore. That's called a medium of exchange. What money actually does. 1. Medium of exchange. So you don't have to swap weird stuff all the time. Second, store of value. Acorns won't rot overnight like fish. They hold value over time. Third unit of account. 1 acorn equals 1 fish tail. We can finally price things. From acorns to apps. Eventually acorns became metal coins, then paper bills, then invisible digital numbers in your bank account, and soon, probably a talking squirrel NFT with sunglasses. But the purpose never changed. Money is just a smart way to trade without the headache of lugging around logs and hoping somebody wants them. So next time someone says, money is evil, remind them, without it, you'd be trying to buy a pizza with your collection of rare pine cones. From saving to spending, we've had some fun, but Forest Finance has only begun. So hit subscribe and join the stash. There's more to learn with Critter Cash.